Hi guys, it is March 21st, 2026. William here, and it's a slow day today, slow Saturday. Gonna wash my washroom and watch the news. So I went out yesterday and I bought a bird cage for the budgies. So I'm gonna show you the bird cage. It cost me $137. It had to be assembled. It wasn't too hard to assemble. And we're going to get the budgies in about a week. We'll get the budgies in about a week. We'll get a couple. There's a couple nice white budgies at the PetSmart. Hopefully they'll still be there when I go to buy them. They're $45 each. And it's another $20 for the bird seed. Budgies are easy to take care of. You just have to feed them and water them, and they pretty well take care of themselves. And change the pan at the bottom of the bird cage when the poop comes down. So I'll show you the bird cage. This is the bird cage. It's got bird feeders and bird waterers down there, and it's a couple feet high, so they have lots of room. I'm wondering, when I had birds before, I let them fly around the apartment, so I don't know if I'll do that this time. I'll probably keep them in the cage, but it should be nice. It'll be real nice to have the birds. And they'll be singing and everything and keeping me company. So yeah, that's the bird cage. So yeah, like I say, in about a week I'll get the birds. So hope everyone has a good Saturday. Thanks to all my viewers and all my subscribers and all my commenters. And thanks for viewing the vlog. And I'll see you in the next vlog.